not gonna drive that far, but we're gonna try, you know. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! That was too loud. Is that a cop? No. Ah. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, can't really do a vlog. I probably could do a vlog at night, but I'm gonna put this as a more of a testing out. The camera is a GitUp Git2, and right now I'm running 1080p with 60 frames per second, and I just like rigged it all probably like maybe an hour ago. I used to have my camera up on my chin, but this one was more for the side. I mean, I probably could have got attachment for the chin part, but the way this helmet is, it's like the curve adhesive probably would have only took up probably like 40% of the part, and then it dips down, the helmet does, so it probably wouldn't have worked. So that's why I have it all on the side of my helmet. So I'm gonna try this out. It's not that bad. All right, here we go. Woo, man, it is like 30 degrees outside right now. So, audio test, gonna test this audio. I put the mic where my left cheek is. So I seen somebody do that. I think it was Yomi R6, and I took another tip from I forgot who it was. Cycle Cruiser said something about putting a cloth on it, so it would distort the wind and stuff. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully the camera don't fog up. That's pretty cool. And that place is for sex toys and shit. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Okay, green light. I'm debating if I should go to the beach, just cause I would think the temperature would drop a little more, but I think it's more inland it drops, I think. I don't know, I'm not a weatherman, so. Is that a cop? It is. It's an X-Sports bike, and it is a cop. And the cop, you speeding little brother trucker. I saw the cop and I was just like, hey, la 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 la, cop, you know. So yeah, and there goes that cop. Yep, get out the way, bad boy. What you gonna do? So we're about to head to Jacksonville Beach. See, I just skipped another topic. Oh, he's about to go catch some people. He's about to sit right there. Watch. Bye bye. He pulls out. Whoop. Hey, pull over, bud. Pull over. I want to say the temperature dropped a little bit. Oh man, I should have worn a backpack. Damn it. So we're about to go. Like I said, we're going to Jacksonville Beach. I'm usually down here on the weekends at a place called Habibi, and it's a hookah place, and I chill there, smoke some hookah, and have a couple drinks. If you like bikes, you know, young, get one. You know, start off $250. That's what I did. I got this freaking busted up looking Chinese dong thing, I think it was called, and I bought it for like $500, and I rode in the neighborhood. That's all I did. Rode in the neighborhood. I got practice on it, and then finally, we're at Jacksonville Beach. I don't know if the camera can see it, but right in front of us it says "Welcome to Jacksonville Beach." In a fucking shop. I'm talking to. You know, my younger days when I didn't have a bike, I used to come down here and just drive my car up and down this road right here, just to look, you know, look at all the places and Like, oh man, I wish I was 21 so I can go and drink. Well, not drink and drive, you know. I'm not supporting that. Don't be drinking and driving, people. You'll get in some serious stuff. You might kill somebody too, or yourself, or a passenger in your car. That was sneakers, by the way. Green and blue, you know. Gotta support those Seahawks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the exhaust. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyways, there's Habibi right there. Right there. That's the Habibi spot, and it's getting packed. Okay, maybe not. Oh shit, they got parking up front. There ain't nobody in there. Got all those people. What the hell? People just standing around and shit. Hey guys. There's our local Irish pub, Lynch's. They liked my Instagram, and that's freaking awesome. So yeah, I've never been there yet, but it's supposed to be a cool place. I got a pizza place where you can see them make the pizzas and stuff. Got mangoes. Usually all the Harley bikers go and drink. And that place is like a place for people to go and do the nasty. There's your local gay bar, Beau's Coral Reef, you know. Got that $4 Annie Bacardis. You know, for the guys that like the guys and the girls that like the girls. What is that? Oh, snap! That is pretty cool. Right. Oh, you got a bike too. What up? This is Ritz, the Ritz. This is another bar. You know, if you go down here, you can go bar hopping. It's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome place. Got a cop car sitting there waiting for freaking drunk people to go drive so they can bust them because it's against the law to drink and drive. Here's the bricks where they put a whole bunch of bricks on the building. You know, that's why they call it the bricks, because it's a brick building. Oh man, look at that big screen TV. Got the 4 screens, making that big screen. And that's about it. I do this little circle, NASCAR style, you know, left, 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 and now we're leaving, going to the pits. Hey, you see me, right? You see me, right? Okay, cool. Make sure you saw me. Oh yeah, hit the line. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, was that a cop? Oopsie! Sorry, bro. Please turn green. Yes. Alright. You better stop. You got a red light. Sorry if I'm yelling too loud. I'm so used to the other camera, so I'll figure it out. Oh shit! I'm going too fast! My bad! I was going too fast. Sorry. I didn't mean to. There's too many bumps. Hey, girls, what you eating on? Oh, you look so hot. Slow down. We're gonna die. Oh yeah. Hey, what you doing? Where you going? Hey, you fucking bitch. Oh shit. Oh my man. Dude, ever since I cleaned out this freaking visor thing in my helmet, not the clear part, but there's like a tinted visor that came inside the helmet with it, and it's pretty awesome right now. Like, it was all dirty and weird and stuff, and I cleaned it off and I wasn't even thinking about it. And I just flipped it down and I can see at night. I can see clearly now. The visor is cleaned. I can see all the obstacles in my way. That was me singing. I know, I'm freaking great. Oh man, it's cold. I wonder if that undercover cop's still sitting down there. He probably didn't catch anybody yet. Hey! Get back here! I wonder if it looks cool. I wonder if the audio's good. If it's not, oh man. Oh, I'm frozen. Not the movie either. Yeah! Stop. In the name of the law. He's gonna catch one of y'all. Oh man, that was good. That was probably loud as shit. Oh man. Not again. Oh man, my damn chest is cold. Oh, my pectorals. Uh-oh. What is this guy doing? You can't make a U-turn. No, you can't, sir. You went into the lines. How? Look at all this space. Good turn. Yeah, he hit the signal. MVP. I got the MVP right there. He hit the turn signal. Hey, there's that cop. There's that cop. Hey! I seen you before. Nah. Come after me. I'm doing 40. And a 45. Come with it, bruh. Oh, shit. I shouldn't have said that. He's coming. Oh, shit. I'm gonna pull him there and be like, hey, you can't have that on your helmet, sir. Huh? Really? Oh, man. Darn.